All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Dodge Challenger. It is the, I believe it's an SXT model. It's beautiful, beautiful gray-like color with black cloth interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, stereo controls, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage on the body. Front bumper looks good, front hood looks good, front fender looks pretty nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Have some curbing. That's some curbing. I'll say 10 or more. Actually, the black stuff around it is just dirt. Needs some thinner, but it does have some curbing right here. I'll say about 3 inches. Tire thread. It's over 7/32. This door looks good. This quarter looks pretty darn good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread. Just under 7/32. Let me double check that. Actually, under 4/32. Is a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It's a powered seat. Likewise on your rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. It is does have an armrest with cup holders. Jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. Does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, all that good stuff. You got your backup camera. Boom, you got your AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues in your mileage of 25,124. Pretty much completes the tour. Open up the trunk. Remove it. Deck lid looks pretty darn nice. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Of course, you got your front license plate bracket there. Does have a spare tire here with some tools, and I did tuck away your owner's manual. It's right back there. This quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear passenger rim. Nice. I don't see curbing. Tire thread. Under 7/32. Got a dent here. Can be seen. As it can, right there. It's less than an inch, but it is. I mean, less than 2 inches, but it is there. And there's a chip, 2 chips right next to it. The rest of it looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise, on your rear passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim. Does have some curbing, 3, 6, about 6 or 7 inches. And your tire thread. Just under 7/32. Lights are working, car is running, things are beautiful, folks. Once again, a 2018 Dodge Challenger with 25,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.